What's up guys, in this video, I'm going to give you my 2018 Fiverr review, the platform that you can use to outsource and build your online business. What's up guys, I'm Andy, you're watching Learn How. And part of building an online business involves knowing how to scale your business and free up your time, because we're all here to build an online business to create a lifestyle of freedom, meaning we don't have to spend all of our time doing all of the mundane tasks associated with building our online business. Now, what is Fiverr? Fiverr is an online platform that you can use to find people to outsource work to. Let me jump right over to Fiverr really quick and show you what it looks like. You'll see right here, it's Fiverr with two R's, Fiverr. Fiverr is very similar to Upwork. Upwork is another place that you can find freelancers and pay them to do specific job tasks for you. But I'm gonna show you why Fiverr is much better for most tasks associated with entrepreneurs trying to build an online business. The nice thing about Fiverr is that prices can be very cheap because there are a lot of people working on Fiverr from other third world countries. So the pay scale is a lot lower, meaning they are willing and able to work for a much lower payroll or salary or payment, I guess we can say. So someone might be willing to do graphics and design for you that lives in India or Pakistan or the Philippines. They might be willing to do something for you for $5. Whereas if you were to hire someone on Upwork from the United States, they might charge you $100 for the exact same results. These people are very talented. Don't let it fool you that just because someone is from Pakistan or India, that they're not good at their craft. These people are very skilled at what they do, and they do a very good job. I've ordered many times from many different sellers on Fiverr, and I've been very pleased with the results. So as an entrepreneur or as someone who's building an online business, let's think about some of the tasks we might need done for us that maybe we're not qualified to do ourselves, or maybe we just don't have the skill or talent to do ourselves. Maybe we need a logo designed and we're not very good with Photoshop, or we're not creative. Let's look here and see what we can find for logo design here on Fiverr. There are a ton of options for graphic design. Look right here. Some of these first options are really, really good, and they've got great reviews. So this person right here, here's some examples of logos that they've designed. All these look really awesome, really professional, very crisp and clean, and you can get that done for 30 bucks. If you were to pay, like I said, someone in the United States to do this, they'd probably charge you $100 or more. I've actually seen people quote logo designs at $1,000 when you can get it right here on Fiverr for 30 bucks. The nice thing too is, if you look right here, they'll give you unlimited revisions. So if you don't like something, if they come back and say, here's your logo, and you say, actually, can we change that color? Can we maybe change this font? They'll change it for you for free. So that's something that's awesome as well. And like I said, look, this person right here is from Sri Lanka. You'll find people from Pakistan, India, the Philippines, Nigeria, Bangladesh, a lot of third world countries where, you know, for them, $30 is a lot of money. $30 for them is like $300 for us. So for us, it might seem really cheap, but for them, it's a lot of money. So it is a good job for them to be working and selling their services here on Fiverr. You can see a lot of people will sell different packages, so you can do upgrades and things. But I always come down and I look at the frequently asked questions, because there's a lot of good questions and answers usually there. And I always read reviews. I read a lot of reviews before I purchase from someone on Fiverr. So like, I'll come through and I'll read all these reviews. I'll click see more, I'll read more reviews, and I'll just read. Then I'll also come up here and go to negative reviews if they have any. If they don't, that's great. But if there are negative reviews, I read them. And even if there's like one or two negative reviews that are just like really like making me feel uneasy, I'll go find someone else, because there are a ton of people on here to choose from who all put out really good work and for very similar prices. So it pays to do a little bit of research and find a good seller. But in my experience, Fiverr is very safe and I've had really good results. Let me go here to some of my orders here. You can see, here's a little logo that I had designed. This actually isn't the logo, but it cost me $7 to get the logo design. And so We messaged back and forth. We sent all the info. I got a bunch of different variations. I mean, it was that simple to have my logo done. And it only took like a couple days, which was also really awesome. So going back to thinking about different ways we could use Fiverr, think about all the different tasks that you might need done for your business, whether it's logo design, blog article writing, transcription, video editing. There's all sorts of different tasks out there that we need done for our online business. And some of them we might want to do ourselves, but it might be more beneficial for us to outsource some of those tasks. The business strategy that I talk to everyone that I meet about this. A lot of people are asking me, they're saying, Andy, how do you scale your online business, or how do you, take your business to the next level? I talk to so many bloggers in Facebook groups who are saying stuff like, I'm not getting traffic to my blog. I'm not making any money from my blog. My blog doesn't look good. All these problems, and these are people who have been blogging for years. Like, I've been blogging for 3 years and I just made my first $50. Like, what have you been doing with your blog? Like, what is your strategy? How are you scaling your business? Like, people don't have the business mindset when they're building their website or their blog or their YouTube channel, whatever it is that they're doing. This is what I tell people all the time. Work on your online business as much as you can. Once you start making some money, make that money work for you. Don't go out and buy a new watch. Don't go out and buy a new car. Don't buy things that you don't need. Once you start to see some income coming in from your blog, reinvest that income into your business. I started my website, I started my YouTube channel from my iPhone. Like, literally, I went downstairs in my basement, I put up my iPhone and we filmed a video. I didn't have a microphone. I didn't have really any fancy lighting. I didn't really have anything. I just took my iPhone and started. As soon as I started making a little bit of money, I invested everything back into my business. And now today, I've been able to buy everything that I have for my online business, all the tools, all the software. I have to spend $100 a month for Ahrefs. I spend $100 a month for VAs. I spend $40 a month for email services. I buy all these programs and services and I outsource a lot of work to other people so that I can scale my business. Because you'll quickly learn that if you try to do everything yourself, your business is going to crawl like a snail because you're going to be limited by your own time and your own experiences. If you try to take every cent that you make from your business and tuck it away and go buy a watch or an Xbox with it, you're going to be still grinding away trying to build your business, making the same amount of money month to month. But if you want to grow your business, you need to make your money work for you. And Fiverr is a great way to do that. Right here on Fiverr, you can find all sorts of anything for your online business. Look, you can buy intros and outros. If you want an intro for your YouTube channel, you can get one done here for 20 bucks. Like, seriously, 20 bucks, they'll make you that fancy little intro where it like pops your logo up and like it looks fancy and everyone will be like, whoa, dude, like that's so professional. How did you do that? Literally, I paid someone 20 bucks on Fiverr and they made it for me and then I put it in all my videos. It's that simple. So guys, I do totally recommend Fiverr for anyone who's looking to outsource some of their work. Don't be afraid. You don't need to be afraid of sellers on Fiverr as long as you do your homework. Read the reviews. Make sure they have a lot of good reviews. Make sure people are ordering from them. Message them. I message tons of sellers before I actually buy from them. I ask them questions. I get a feel for what kind of work they've done. I ask for samples. Say, can you send me some of your previous work? And then when I feel good about it, I make the order. And the nice thing about Fiverr too is if you're not happy, you can reject the order and get your money back. So it's 100% safe if you feel uneasy about ordering from them. But I 100% recommend Fiverr. I'll put a link right below this video for you to go check out Fiverr, maybe browse around, see what kind of services are available. And I would challenge you to look for creative ways to outsource some of the work that you're doing right now for your online business that someone else could do for you better and cheaper. Because remember, your time is money. If your time is worth 50 bucks an hour and you're spending hours doing a task that someone else could do for $5, you're essentially wasting money. You're losing money doing it yourself. So look for creative ways to outsource your work. All right, guys, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe because we're gonna talk a lot more about business strategies and technologies that you can use to build an online business to create a life of freedom. I'm Andy, you're watching Learn How. We'll see you in the next video.